Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to give you all an update on my home office transformation. What was once my formal dining room is slowly evolving into a cozy and functional workspace. My husband has joined the fun. He painted my accent wall. Plus, it was my birthday weekend and I turned up with what matters most, my family. Now let's get into it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
News about the home office, you all, is I'm going to get my wonderful husband to go ahead and lift this chandelier song for me. I love this chandelier. It's beautiful. However, it's a little bit too low for this space. I purchased a couple of things at Dollar Tree, hoping that would be able to work, which are these zip ties, or either these clips. So we're gonna see which one works best. Wish us luck. Now let's tackle this chandelier. But before my husband works his magic to adjust this height, I'm gonna clean it first. Gotta make sure it shines bright like me. Okay. I'm smiling so hard because my husband has reassured me that what I purchased would work perfectly. Ooh, he got a little too close and personal with them hot lights. But no worries. I turned them off and he went right back to work after that brief ouch moment. And of course, me being his wife, his helpmate, I came to his assistance because we in this together.
As we forget about you, you just came out of the blue. If you only knew, let's sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go to a restaurant, go to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go to a restaurant, to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love. Sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's go to a restaurant, to a field, pick up some strawberries, then maybe let's fall in love.
What you doing, Alan? Another?
They want to hold it.
You want the chain so it won't be so ugly. Girl. Might need to attach the chain with a zip lock or just lean up against it and be more aesthetically pleasing.
You mean it like this?
I was thinking along the base of it.
Talking like that.
Yep. Yeah, that look. It don't look gathered as jump. One thing I do know, when my husband has his mind set on something, it's a done data, aka as good as done.
If I could mainline this feeling, babe, you know that I would.
Let's get into these office supplies. I recently made a few purchases to help organize my new workspace. First up is this large mouse pad.
You should feel this heaven all the time.
and these handy storage containers for my desk. Perfect for keeping everything near and tidy. Oh, and don't let me forget this nifty rotating laptop stand. It's perfect for finding the ideal angle while working, and it adds a whole new level of comfort to my setup. And because I'm trying to up my gadget skills, I also got this remote keyboard and mouse combo. It's a game changer for my productivity. No office setup is complete without task light. So I took a quick trip to Marshall's. After all, good lighting is crucial. Not just for productivity, but these eyes ain't what they used to be, y'all. I found a lamp combo to add style and functionality to my home office, and they were on clearance, you all. Next, we check back in with my hubby, who's carefully applying painter's tape around the trim of the wall. I managed to convince him to paint an accent wall for my home office, and he graciously agreed to bring my vision to life. Ladies, you know, our honey-do list never ends. I added to my husband's list of projects, painting the front door to match my sleek black accent wall, and to give this desk that I bought from Facebook Marketplace a little razzle dazzle. I'll be adding this wallpaper, of course, with my husband's help.
Two and a half inches from that far right end.
Far right in.
Yeah.
2.5 inches.
To the edge up. A half inch. Right there. Half inch.
Half an inch.
Half an inch.
Okay.
No, baby, that's an inch and a half. Half inch is gonna be right here.
Okay. I'm gonna give myself a little room.
Yeah, so
3/4 of an inch. It's my birthday month, you all, and I feel so special.
Birthday to Eat the cake.
I love y'all.
I love you too.
It's two counts. I can make 2 wishes, right? That's a wrap for today's vlog, y'all. As you can see, my home office is really coming together. Before I sign off though, I wanted to share some exciting news. I'm out shopping for my very first client of 2025 for my new business, Shelton Signature Style. And I couldn't be happier. I want to also take the time to thank you all, my fellow home decor lovers, my family, for your continual support. And until the next time, you all, be blessed.